Hello! In front of me I have Yamay SW329 smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the smartband. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smartband, your band needs to be paired with your phone via the 9Sport application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the 9Sport application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. And here, you should see two options, call notifications and message notifications. First, let's enable the call notifications. To do it, simply tap on the switch. If you get any pop-ups about the permissions, you will need to allow the permissions because they will be required for the notifications to work. Next, we have the message notifications, so let's tap on it. And here, as you can see, we have a pop-up. We need to tap on confirm. It will redirect us to the notification access page. On the newer versions of Android, it's called something different, but basically you will have the list of applications. You need to find the 9Sport application, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access and tap on allow. And then you can go back to the 9Sport application. And now we can enable the notifications for certain apps and features like SMS, Facebook if you want to, Twitter, Line, WhatsApp, Skype, WeChat and QQ. And once you're done, you can go back and close the application. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notifications from your phone on the smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.